Mercy Social Center is a subsidiary of Directaid Ghana, with a singular aim of education and bettering the lives of school-going children, has in a separate occasion distribute school uniform to students, support students with textbooks and reference materials to enhance learning, teaching aids to teachers, providing each level of the school with sporting items, continuous school feeding program, availing photocopier and printing machines, day-to-day running of the school, and providing scholarship for needy but brilliant students to assist families who otherwise may not be able to support their children's education. All these were done consecutively on the occasion of the 20th anniversary of the Mercy Islamic School. Speaking shortly after the first phase of the program, the former MC for the Adentan constituency, Alexander Nino Uduma, has this to say.
The collaboration among these people who are all stakeholders in providing education for the people within the community they find themselves in is elaborate and very well. Directaid has been around, they've been in other regions as well. Here we have other Islamic entities who are giving education to our children. Mercy Islamic is one of such things, which is attached to the social center. Directaid has provided not only these facilities that we see in this place over the years, but there came a time, if you know the history very well, there came a time when it was like they wanted the government to take over. Since the government took over up to this time, there have been ups and downs. But the major thing is today, as we celebrate the 20th anniversary, you see the collaborative effort. It is our prayer that we'll continue to work together, because the school being there provides the young learners, the children within this community, an opportunity to receive a lifetime investment that will help them to go into the future with hope.
Some parents whose children have received the items donated to them also shared their joy with us.
It's very, very important for all this area, because I saw so many people, normally we see them around, but nowadays, everybody, all the children are coming to school all the time. So I think it's very important for this area so that you don't get any school drop up. So sometimes you've been seeing people around, but now, once they open this school, you see all the children coming to the school. So it's very, very important in this area.
Mun zo suna karatu kuma abin yayi kyau, mun gode, ticocin sun yi kokari, Allah ya bada lada, malamai kuma sun yi kokari, yaran kuma Allah ya taimake su, wallahi suna da kokari, don yaran na da yawa, kuma suna iya su karbi duka su yi gwada musu abu, su te yaran sun zo gida suna gwada kamar an ba su haka, ana ba su abinci duka, kuma bata taba zuwa su ce ticocin sun buga su ba.
On the other hand, presenting the scholarship to the student, the Adentan Municipal Education Director, Mrs. Gifty Azeko, cautioned the student and thanked Directaid for the continuous support.
We say a very big thank you to Directaid for the support. The support. This school looks like a university. Yes, it looks like a university. Some universities have only one door. It enters and that's all. This one, you can pass here and enter. You can also pass here. You can also pass here. So clap for Directaid. They have done well. They have done well. And parents here, I will plead with you that support Directaid and teachers here to groom and nurture your children. I believe one day when you have a doctor in your house, you will not bring some of the salary to Directaid. But their duty as social group is to educate you to be resourceful to your nation. And that is exactly what they have done.
The Ali Abdusalam Ali is the head of the Mercy Social Center.
We have over 3,000 students in Ghana. So Directaid project is more and more. And if you come aside of projects like boreholes, school constructions, masjids, and another developmental projects, it's a lot. So that's why we are saying we are working with the government. We are complementary to the government. We are not opposite of the government or some individuals, or like when we are building such type of the schools, it's for Ghanaians, it's for the needy peoples, it's for our children, for next generations. It's not for someone or some individuals to take all this infrastructure with him and go. No, we shouldn't understand such way. So each and everything we do in Ghana is for Ghanaians. Directaid is for more than 20 years in Ghana, working in the same way, and it will continue. Individuals may change, may someone go and come another person, but Directaid will continue.
The country director, Mr. Sami Hanendek, admonishes the student that they should sow a good seed for future posterity.
We are here for you, to help you and to serve you. And if you remember last year, we sit here in the same place and we do the same programs, sponsorship, scholarship for more than 25 students. And inshallah, we will continue. This year, we sponsor like 150 secondary school students in Tamale, Kumasi, Cape Coast, and here in Accra. And also more than 50 students, university students, we sponsor them complete scholarship from Form 1 until they finish the university. Why we do this? We help you today. We are brothers. We are all human beings. We come to help you, to show all of us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us equals. And every one of us needs the others. So, Directaid today help you. And inshallah in the future you will help your community, your society. I wanted to see from you, doctor, engineer, teacher, lawyer, if we wanted to change and improve our community and our country, we can start with education. So as Mr. Ali said, all this building, all this center, it is for you, not for me. I come here to help. And our organization come here to help. We come to support you, to see you in the future are strong and you can help. If any country in the world needs your help, you can help them. This is our mission. We come here to empower everybody, make empowerment for everybody, every human being. So I am here and I promise you, inshallah, all the activities and all the programs of Directaid will continue and inshallah will increase. And we assure that we work with the government. We have cooperation with Ghana Education Service. We have cooperation with Ghana Health Service. We have cooperation with Ministry of Gender and Children. We work with all the ministry in Ghana here to achieve our goals and our aim together. We have no different agenda. Our agenda is to improving the country and helping the human being. Thank you so much. And I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give peace and security and improvement to this good country. I live here around 10 years. Wallahi, I feel I live among my family. Kindness of people, politeness of people. So I like this country so much. Allah bless all of you and help you and a good future and successful future. Thank you so much.
Some students who benefit from the scholarship also expresses their joy with us.
Honestly, I'm really grateful and we are all grateful because this is my second time of getting the scholarship. The first time I was not expecting, but I had. I would like to say, may Almighty Allah embrace their hard work. Whatever they want, may Allah add to them. Their achievement, may Allah put barakah into it. And we are massively grateful. Honestly, getting money is not easy. And paying school fees, so I'm not the one, but it's my parents. It will support them and they might be thinking how they would get the money and pay the school fees for us. But as we have gotten this, it will reduce their burden and it will also make things easier for us too. So we are grateful to Directaid.
I'd like to say thank you to them for giving us this great opportunity and may Allah richly bless them for bringing this to us.
The Mercy Social Center houses orphanage, providing them with scholarship, feeding, taking care of their health, among other things.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.